Hello everyone. We are going to Han River Citizens Park today.
비가 그쳤네요. 기가 그쳤네요. 기가 그쳤어요. 기가 그쳤어요.
The two sentences have the same meaning. But there's a slight nuance difference. The first sentence contains "now I see that" in the sentence. The second sentence is simply a statement describing the current situation. There is little difference between the two sentences in the case of ordinary objects or life, not people.
날씨가 정말 좋아요. 날씨가 정말 좋아요. 날씨는 정말 좋아요. 날씨는 정말 좋아요.
There is a nuance difference between the two sentences. The use of ga particle is simply a case of describing. On the other hand, the use of noon particle has a hidden meaning. For example, the weather is nice, but the wind is strong. You can think of it as having this meaning.
한강공원에 가는 거 어때요? 한강공원에 가는 거 어때요?
In Korean, e is a preposition that applies to both place and time. Do not separate them in detail in the same way as the English prepositions in, on, at, to. Therefore, the context must be well understood.
가는 거,
Can be understood as an action noun. In this sentence, understand going.
아, 정말 좋은 생각이에요. 아, 정말 좋은 생각이에요. 그럼 출발합시다. 그럼 출발합시다. 준비할 건 없나요? 준비할 건 없나요? 건,
Is used a lot in Korean. This word is used with a verb, and understand it as anything or something.
즐길 마음만 있으면 돼요. 즐길 마음만 있으면 돼요. 돼요.
Is a very common expression in Korean. It's easier to understand this word this way. Let's understand it's okay in English.
와, 수상스키 타는 사람들이 많네요. 와, 수상스키 타는 사람들이 많네요.
It's hard because the sentence is long, right? In this case, practice dividing it into two sentences.
수상스키 타요.
They're water skiing.
사람들이 많아요.
They are a lot of people.
바나나 보트도 있네요. 바나나 보트도 있네요.
This sentence contains some admiration. In other words, now I see that is included in the sentence. There's a slight nuance difference from the next sentence.
바나나 보트도 있어요. 바나나 보트도 있어요. 주로 연인들이 많이 타요. 주로 연인들이 많이 타요. 연인,
Couple.
연인들.
Couples.
한강에는 공원이 몇 개나 있나요? 한강에는 공원이 몇 개나 있나요?
There is a slight nuance difference between
몇 개, 안 몇 개나. 몇 개.
is used to ask for a more accurate answer and
몇 개나.
is used to ask for a rough answer.
12개 정도 있어요. 12개 정도 있어요.
When you count people, you use myung or boon as a number. When you count animals, you use mari. Other than that, various numerical units are used to count objects. Among them, gae is the most common unit. If you don't know the exact number unit, you can just use
개, 12개. 저 건물은 뭐예요? 저 건물은 뭐예요?
In interrogative sentences, topical particles un or noon are often used. In this sentence, we use the topical particle un because it has a final consonant. Of course, there are times when you need to use the topic particle ga. This is when you want to emphasize a subject. Now let's compare the following words.
뭐예요? 뭐예요?
These two notations have the same meaning. Even Koreans use it without distinguishing differences. I hope you don't put much weight on this difference, either.
저 건물은 문화쉼터예요. 저 건물은 문화쉼터예요.
You can use the same topic particle for answering interrogative sentences.
2층 건물이에요. 2층 건물이에요. 층
is a unit for counting floors in a building. Use the Sino number type to count the number of floors in a building.
1층은 도서관이에요. 1층은 도서관이에요. 1층은 도서관이에요. 누구나 이용할 수 있나요? 누구나 이용할 수 있나요? 누구나 이용할 수 있나요? 할 수 있다.
This expression is used very often, so make sure to memorize it. You can understand it as an auxiliary verb. In interrogative sentences,
할 수 있나요? 할 수 있나요? 물론이죠. 물론이죠. 이용료는 얼마나 해요?
the following two expressions have the same meaning and are used with almost the same frequency.
무료예요. 무료예요. 와, 정말요? 와, 정말요? 말 나온 김에 가볼까요? 말 나온 김에 가볼까요? 말 나온 김에 가볼까요?
The expression speaking of which is often used by Koreans in everyday life. It is good to memorize.
도서관 뿐 아니라 카페도 있네요. 도서관뿐 아니라 카페도 있네요. 도서관뿐 아니라 카페도 있네요.
A simple way to express this expression is as follows.
도서관과 카페가 있네요.
There's a library and a cafe. However, if you use the first expression often, you can speak very advanced Korean. And we use this expression more often as we go up to the advanced course.
커피 한 잔 합시다. 커피 한 잔 합시다.
Another commonly used expression is this.
커피 한 잔 마십시다.
The two expressions are often used in similar proportions.
잔, 한 잔, 두 잔.
Is a unit used to drink water or coffee. It means cup.
제가 살게요. 제가 살게요.
When emphasizing the person who is performing an action rather than the action itself, the topic particle ga is always used.
뭐 드실래요? 뭐 드실래요? 뭐 드실 거예요? 뭐 드실 거예요?
Both expressions have the same meaning and are polite. If we were to distinguish between them, the first expression is used in casual situations. The second one is a more formal expression and is commonly used when there is a significant age difference.
아이스 아메리카노 마실게요. 아이스 아메리카노 마실게요. 저도요. 저도요. 여기요. 여기요. 주문 도와 드릴까요? 주문 도와 드릴까요? 주문 도와 드릴까요? 드릴까요?
Is a polite expression.
아, 2잔 주세요. 아, 2잔 주세요. 아, 2잔 주세요.
Koreans tend to shorten words.
잠시 기다려 주세요. 잠시 기다려 주세요. 잠시 기다려 주세요.
If there's a noun in front of the 주세요 verb, it literally means to give something, but if you add 주세요 after the verb, it's an expression of politeness. You can understand it as please in English. Everyone, the length of the video is too long, so I divided it into two. It's confusing if you study too much at once. Let's drink the coffee we ordered today tomorrow. Thank you for your effort. See you tomorrow.